how freakishly cute. And then that tiny honey dipper. Well, hello my lovely nestlings and welcome to today's video where I'm going to play with the Winnie the Pooh collection. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 46 from the Netherlands, hence the accent. And if you want to have fun with makeup, if you want to be inspired by unusual color combinations, if you want to hear about brands that no one else is talking about, and if you are slightly orcish like me and love everything Winnie the Pooh, then this is the channel for you. Subscribe now, become part of my nestlings, because we are having a blast here on the internet. Let me explain slightly orcish. It means olive. I am a light, warm olive, not extremely warm, but on the warmer side of neutral. That's it. Also, if I seem low energy, it's because I kinda am. Just so you know. I'm drinking my second cup of coffee of the day, and not that I get very much energized by it, but So yeah, I have actually done my face up until highlighter. I did use the honey pot lip mask. This is just, oh my freaking lord, it's just too cute. They completely nailed this entire collection. Yeah, I hope that they will bring these back in stock, because maybe me needs more. Just saying. I also have the glosses here, all the glosses, and I have the Super Shock highlighters, and I have the palette. So basically right now I am in the middle of thinking about the shade of the Super Shocks. I actually don't know. I think this may be too light for me, but let me swatch it. Oh, that is so... I think that's more my winter color. That's the lightest one. Then the second one. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's more the color that I would wear, the second one. And then the last one, which is a darker one. Ooh, I can use that as a shimmer blush. You know what? Let's have fun with that. So let's get a brush. Let's go to the darkest one first, which is this one. I already have blush on, but I don't care. Let's just... It's not as dark as I thought it would be. But maybe it's because I already have a shimmer blush or a blush underneath, which is also from Colourpop. Which is from the... what's it called again? Tinkerbell collection, that was the word. I kind of like that. And I also want to use the lightest one, but that one, or the middle one, but that one I'm going to do with my finger. Just to tap it on. And that basically gives it a whole... When I do this with the Super Shocks, I can also use a brush, but this is just, you know. Cutesy, 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 cutesy. This collection, honest to God, they nailed it. Honestly. So, yeah, those. Okay. Lip gloss. Let's see. I don't know. I actually don't really like the lip glosses. I think I'm going to go for this one. Just because I can. The Luxe lip glosses, I tried one and I did not really like it, but I haven't tried these, and I kind of heard that they have a new formula. So let's see. Let's use also a lip liner. Okay. And I have the shade Clover Honey now. Okay. Okay. I kind of feel it's a little bit different than the first one that I tried. I like the color. I feel it has substance without being very extremely gloopy. So, first impressions, but you know what? Even if I hated it, it's all okay. It's all okay. Let's go to the pièce de résistance, which is the Sweet as Can Be eyeshadow palette that you have seen from everyone. Oh, the sticker is still on. But I don't care. I really want to play with this today. It's a lot more colorful than I thought it was, but look at how cutesy it is. Oh. Okay. I'm just going to start. I have already primed my eyes. Let me zoom you in a little. Okay, I think that's a bit better. Okay, hello. Let's go like that. I am going to start with the fun thing is that you can go that row and you can do that row very nicely. I don't know what I want to start with though. I'm going to go to this shade first. Think, think, think. Then I'm going to go to the shade Rumbly, which is the pinky one. Just with the same brush. I cleaned it off on a towel that I have here. Oh, this is going to be cute. Now these are, I'm cleaning the brush, then I'm getting a different brush and just blend the middle here. The shades are pretty light. I'm going to go back to Think Think, which is the yellow. The shades are pretty light, but I do think that it complements this. Back to that shade that I just used, the pinky one. Okay, what's the shade that I want to deepen up with? Sure, why not? Let's go next to the shade. Yeah, I kind of have to use that, right? The shade Pooh Bear. Let's go to that one. One's going to go here. And I'm just tapping it on. I also wanted that underneath my eye. But basically below my lashes, as you can see. I will kind of finesse it a little bit later. I'm just basically placing shadows right now. I'm going to go back to the first brush that I used to finesse this a little bit. I'm going to blend, kind of tap this upper part out a little bit, but then in. So it looks like I'm doing this, but I'm actually not. I'm placing and then kind of doing very small swipey motions in, if that makes any sense at all. This blends out very nicely. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the pink. It's almost like my face wants to eat it up a little bit today. Maybe my face is just like me, tired. I actually went to Amsterdam yesterday with my sister and we had loads of fun. It was also very exhausting, but fun. Okay, I am going to deepen up this shade with this one, Tummy. In my tumbly, that's the wording. This is going to go lower, outer corner, crease, and this is going to be the deepening up shade. Okay, I'm going to a blending brush. For underneath my eye, I'm going to go back to the shade in my tumbly. Then I'm going to go with a smaller blending brush to the shade Rumbly, which was that pinky. I'm going to blend underneath my eye a little. I am tapping a jelly primer from Color Cosmetics on my eye. On both eyes. Just to help the shimmer a little bit. I am making sure that it is not too wet though. Okay, I'm going to go into the shimmer Honey Tree. And it has, Amanda actually said that it has a shift in it. So it's basically a green and yellow gold. That's what it is, that pale yellow. So let's see. And you can see it happening. I don't know if you can, but I can see it happening on my eye. And I think that's also because my undertone helps to bring that out. I'm tapping this on the primer first. And then when the primer is basically set and saturated, I can kind of swipe a little bit to bring out any additional shine. I'm going to go back to the shade in my tumbly with a small brush. This is actually a Morphe E36. It's actually a new one. And this is from their synthetic line. There was a Morphe store in Amsterdam, so I just went in because I was curious. I actually bought two brushes. I know, who am I? But they're very nice brushes. And I love the E36, but this E36 is a little bit bigger than the one that I had previously, if I can find it. So here's the difference. See that? Both are E36, so I don't know. But this is one of the Morphe brushes that I really, really love. And it's synthetic, which I really, really love too. Okay, I'm cleaning this brush. I'm going to go back to shade Think with this brush. Now that's what I was talking about. Okay. So I just needed a little bit more. I needed a denser brush. That's okay. Then to the pink. A rumbly. Cutesy. Okay, for the inner corner, I want to go to the shade Make Believe. I think that will pair very, very well with the greeny shimmer and the yellowy matte that I have here. So for eye pencil, I'm using the shade Meadow from Colourpop. I don't know if they still have this, but it was from their Bambi collection. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. For inner corner highlight, I am going to go to that lightest Super Shock. The shade Silly Old Bear. I'm using that E36 again. Yeah, cute. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. I am going to finish off the look and I'll be right back. I finished off the look with falsies from Primark in the style London, which are perfect to glue underneath my falsies. And yeah, that's the only thing that I did off camera. I really like how this look turned out, and I love the collection with a passion, which I knew I would. Just this, how freakishly cute. And then that tiny honey dipper, it's just too cute to use. The eyeshadow palette, I think it's very, very cool. I think that the color story is very cute. The shadows performed very, very well. I do think that if I want to get them kind of true to pan, that I have to use a primer that stays sticky for a little bit longer, or put my primer on just before I'm going to do my eyeshadow instead of letting it settle a little bit. But that's just personal preference. I think that this can be a palette for a lot of people for every day. If you love Winnie the Pooh, yeah. What can I say? That's why I bought the entire collection, because I love Winnie the Pooh. The honey pots got me, honestly, and I really do like how they made this collection. So yeah, that's it. Let me know down below if you got any, or did you miss out? Do you still want anything? I do know that for me, if the honey pots are back in stock, I'm going to probably need a few sets, so I can also gift them to my nieces, because they are just so extremely giftable. Yeah, when this one basically runs out, I will just keep reusing these pots, because they're just the bestest. Yeah, that was it for today. Let me know down below what you think of this look. Do you like it? I'm going to rock it for the rest of the day. And thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'm going to wish you a fantastic day, fabulous evening. May your foundation always match your neck. And I will see you very, very soon for my next one. Bye guys.